Professional standards enforcement. Explained. When professional standards aren't enforced, your property, liberty, or money can disappear without a court ever deciding the facts. This is how quiet errors turn into real consequences. A licensed professional doesn't just give opinions. Their work enters the system: records, permits, maps, enforcement actions. When that work is wrong and regulators refuse to correct it, the error doesn't stay technical. It becomes official. Professional standards enforcement is supposed to stop that. It exists to verify accuracy, require correction, and prevent repeat harm. Not to protect the license, not to shift the burden onto whoever complains. But when enforcement fails, agencies often do something else. They demand a second expert. They claim the facts are outside their scope. They call it a private dispute. That's not enforcement. That's abdication. Here's the mechanism that matters. Once an error is accepted into the record, every downstream action relies on it. Citations, denials, fines, restrictions, even arrests. At that point, the harm isn't theoretical. It's loss of use, loss of access, loss of due process. Professional standards enforcement is where systems decide who carries the risk of error. When regulators refuse to act, the public pays the price. That's why enforcement isn't about punishment. It's about stopping quiet mistakes from becoming irreversible outcomes.